Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Every day, millions of people walk into workplaces hoping to be seen, valued and respected. But how many of them truly feel like they belong? In today's fast-changing world, organizations are realizing that success isn't just about profit or productivity. It is about people. That is where ISO 30415-2021, the international standard for human resource management, diversity and inclusion, plays a powerful role. It helps organizations build workplaces where everyone feels safe, supported and valued, the true foundation of employee well-being and belonging. Now, what is ISO 30415 and why it matters? ISO 30415 provides a structured framework to help organizations promote diversity, equity, and inclusion in a measurable and sustainable way. It guides leaders to identify barriers, address bias, and create fair systems where all employees have equal opportunities to grow. The standard doesn't just talk about diversity, it turns inclusion into a daily practice. When applied effectively, it helps companies transform their cultures from being performance-driven to being people-driven, ensuring that diversity isn't just a number but a lived value. Now, how inclusion impacts well-being? A sense of inclusion is directly linked to emotional and mental well-being. When people feel respected, heard, and valued, they experience less stress and greater motivation. ISO 30415 helps organizations identify factors that may harm employee well-being, such as workplace bias, lack of representation, or poor communication, and develop strategies to fix them. Inclusive environments foster psychological safety where people feel comfortable sharing ideas, making mistakes, and growing together. Now, have a look on the role of leadership in building inclusion. Leaders are the heart of inclusion. ISO 30415 emphasizes that leadership must take full responsibility for setting the tone of inclusivity. Inclusive leaders are those who listen actively, encourage participation, and ensure that decisions are fair and transparent. They act as role models, showing that diversity isn't a challenge to manage, but an advantage to celebrate. When leaders demonstrate respect and openness, it creates a ripple effect, inspiring teams to do the same. Employee well-being and mental health. Well-being isn't only physical, it is also emotional and psychological. Many employees struggle silently with anxiety or burnout due to exclusion or lack of recognition. ISO 30415 encourages organizations to build psychologically safe workplaces where mental health is respected and supported. This means providing access to counseling, flexible work options, inclusive communication, and training to handle bias and stress. When people feel mentally safe, they perform better, collaborate more, and stay longer. Inclusion in real life, a tale of two companies. Imagine two companies. Company A focuses only on numbers. Employees are expected to deliver results, but their voices aren't heard. Company B, guided by ISO 30415, actively listens to employees, values different perspectives, and celebrates unique strength. Over time, Company B sees higher engagement, lower turnover, and stronger innovation. This example shows that inclusion is not a soft skill. It is a strategic strength that drives business success while improving well-being. Measuring well-being and belonging. ISO 30415 encourages organizations to measure their progress. You can't improve what you don't track. Key performance indicators can include employee engagement surveys, retention rates among minority groups, promotion equality data, and feedback on workplace inclusion. Steps to implement ISO 30415 for well-being. Implementing ISO 30415 doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a diversity and inclusion assessment to understand your current culture. Next, train leaders and HR teams on inclusive practices. Develop or update DEI and well-being policies. Collect feedback through surveys and set measurable goals. Finally, conduct internal audits and apply for ISO 30415 certification through an accredited body. Each step makes your organization more human-centered, ethical, and future-ready. Belonging is the new strength. At its heart, ISO 30415 is not just a standard. It is a philosophy of fairness and humanity. It teaches organizations that true strength lies in diversity, empathy, and belonging. When employees feel included, they thrive. When they thrive, the company grows. So, whether you are a small business or a global enterprise, remember this: inclusion isn't just good ethics, it is good business. ISO 30415 is your guide to creating a workplace where every person matters, every voice counts, and every difference is celebrated. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.